Hi guys, so I'm doing a vintage mirror tutorial. I wanted a mirror for my downstairs. So I purchased these two mirrors from Walmart and I hot glued them together and super glued it as well for extra security. And then I flipped it over on the back and used these thick popsicle sticks, which I purchased from Walmart as well. And I went down the complete back of it just for a better security. So these thick popsicle sticks are excellent. I used it from the top to the bottom. It holds it any gaps you won't be able to see it. And it'll be actually easier and better for me when I flip it over and start to paint it. Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. And so I used my wood stain, the dark walnut, and what I pictured in my head didn't really come out to be when I started to stain this mirror. It was a really light brown, and I tried to do it multiple times, but it just didn't work. So first impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up, come to visit me. She say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up. What I ended up using was this Waverly Chalk Truffle Dark Paint, which kind of worked out perfect. I didn't want to completely paint over the stain, so I kind of like distressed it and I wet distressed it as well. So I'm just going slightly through it. I didn't completely cover the complete mirror with this paint. I just wanted to splotch it. And I did this around the complete mirror, and then I just kind of wet distressed it to take some of the paint off, but not all of it off, and have this old weathered look. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take that hot road and hop in. Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up. So as I finished the mirror, just to seal it, I used a basic Mod Podge, and I just let that sit for a little while just to make sure everything settled in perfectly. open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, and take the high road and hop in.
So to finish off this beautiful piece, I added some nautical rope. I wasn't sure how I wanted to put this around the mirror, but I ended up lining it in the middle of the mirror. And it just added just additional weathered vintage look that I just ultimately love. And I loved how it turned out.
Open up, open up.
Finished the mirror. It turned out just more than what I just imagined. It doesn't even look like it's two mirrors. It doesn't look like there's something I just bought from Walmart. And I just love how it sits in my living room. It's so beautiful. I now have a floorboard mirror, and I'm so excited, guys, and I hope you like it just as much as I do. Thanks for watching. Till next time.